Hey, hello everybody. I hope you are doing well. I create two animation and my requirement my very important client because this is a found. Found is a fees and uh, others. This is a found animation goat. This is found animation section use the portfolio website, and this is a portfolio. I create this animation. I am very happy create this animation, and my client see my work and happy, good happy, because this is animation all portfolio website showing your other works, uh, Facebook thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail, and your website and SEO work and other works showing your gallery section. This is a very nice and modern and very good, very attractive and very professional. This I feel this is running good. I click and hit and scroll mouse and stop. This is not click and this is a run, brother and sister. This is a animation very important on your website to this is animation very very nice and attractive. This is a fish throwing your accordion and found. This is a oxygen oxygen up down, oxygen forth, and this is very important section on your website, brother and sister. I hope if you understand my video and my animation. If you need any animation, please let me know. I will be create your animation for your website, and if you need any website and any work, please let me know, and please comment my inbox and my comment box, brother and sister. I will get back to you as soon as possible, and I will create your website. I would love to help you create your animation brother and sister. So okay, thank you. Have a good day everybody.